of fatty-derived energy oil and petrochemical products podcast. I'm your host, Blessed Naladeseme. If you're looking to learn about top quality and choice and petrochemical products straight from the factory to your business, you are in the right place. In this episode, we will talk about
Everybody, and welcome to today's Inky Hole podcast. Today we'll discuss how you can get also book this Inky Eye directly from Apple Play. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to this podcast. You know what's at watching other Inky Eye importers grow while you're stuck chasing the small margins month after month. You're working hard, calling suppliers, managing containers, and juggling cost. But deep down, you know there's a ceiling. And that ceiling is not a market, it's your NGO supply chain. Email says at EPOBLEH.com to get high quality father the red bulk diesel engine oil in 10 plus containers every month from Everblex. Now imagine this. Every month, 10 or more containers of premium diesel engine oil land smoothly in your port. No middleman, no delays, no guessing what your margin will be this time. Just solid, predictable profit from an NGO factory that's got your back. That's what we do here. We are not just another diesel engine oil manufacturer in the UAE. We are your behind the scenes growth partner. Email sales at EPOBLEH.com to get high quality father the red bag diesel engine oil in 10 plus containers every month from Everblex. Because here's what most importers miss. It's not just about getting cheap engine oil, it's about getting engine oil smarter. You win when your brand becomes a reliable one, the trusted one, the one suppliers ask for my name, and that only happens when your supply is constant, when your quality never drops, when your factory partner always ships when they say they will, and that's us. Email sales at APOBLEH.com to get high quality fat direct bulk diesel oil in 10 plus containers every month from Republic. We don't stop at FOB or as factory pricing. We give you CIF prices, meaning we take care of the shipping, insurance, and delivery to your port. You've probably dealt with NGO factories that promise to work then vanish when the shipments delay. With us, you get updates, precision, and accountability every single time. When the containers move in schedule, your customers stay happy. When your prices stay stable, your margins grow. When your product performs better, your reputation is built. That's not just NGR, that's power. The kind of power that builds a role in the oil import business, not a fragile one. Email sales at APOBLEH.com to get high quality photo direct bulk diesel engine oil in 10 plus containers of remote from Republic. When you're ready to start scaling like the big NGO importers, talk to us. Let's build your NGO business the way it should have been from the start. With father direct supply, fast moving, and future proof. Because while others are still comparing prices, you'll be the one controlling the market. Email sales at EPOBLEH.com to get high quality father direct bulk diesel and the oil in 10 plus containers every month from Applebline. We love you and leave you. See you next. Bye.
Thanks for listening to the Apple Play, also fatty-derived energy oil and petrochemical products podcast. Don't forget to go to www.appleplay.com to get wholesale fatty-derived energy oils and petrochemical products. And I will talk to you next week. I will love you and leave you. See you next week.